Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we'll be doing a who can eat the most nuggets. So we just got our nuggets from Wendy's. We bought 100. Wish us luck guys, because I'm excited. I'm not like I'm excited bad.
Me too. Me too.
Want so much nuggets we can actually eat. So
I have some sauce here, honey mustard.
Honey mustard. So the aim is who can eat the most. So 30 each, around 30 each.
Yeah.
But let's see who can eat the most. So let's get into this video. Okay. We're excited. So if we finish one, we're gonna take one, we're gonna say just one. So 1.
Your girl full already. A joke. You should have timed this.
Burn, don't give me hot burn. 2.
Remember, slow and steady win the
Don't
race.
tell me
Yeah?
the same.
Alright.
Like a speed eating consent sheet upon.
By the time you go and stop again, I wait for you to reach up to me.
No, baby. No, you're going to try it. You're going to slow down. You're going to pass you. 2.
Yeah,
3.
6. What the fuck is wrong with you? I mean, you're 4 plus 4. You're 4 plus 4. 2 plus 2.
It's 2 plus 2. That's 4. Now what is going on there?
What are
Pulling this. Maybe 5.
5, 2.
So then tell right here.
7. You know shit is real when she tired here.
I'm just like, this is gonna be a breeze. Shall we? We're gonna do this off. I don't know what this number. 6.
I feel scared. That was my 6 man. 8.
This is your 6? This is 7?
This is 7.
Oh. What's going on? 7.
9.
She just said 9. She's going out to double digits.
10. I'm gonna take a break at 10.
10. You remember the person who was speeding up?
Remember I said I'm gonna take a break and then they'll catch me?
10.
Lord have mercy. Somebody kill me. 11.
Where's the break? Where's the break there?
You took out the god home and stop eating.
She did?
No. I did. You know somebody that drink more water and drink juice.
I mean, you can't be mega crazy.
I only did like 2 beer and I'm gonna stop at 10.
I remember this. Must be done one sauce. Where do all of the sauce here?
You put them in my fridge.
What kill me? 11.
I just want to say, Team Chrissy, big up on herself. Chrissy can't really go no more.
But she's gonna.
I'm gonna try.
I've added to 20.
How much more then?
10 now.
Better you did say 15, Kaylee.
No, you can't do 20. I believe in you.
Me not to believe I'm gonna still reach out to you.
Guys, come on.
Put on some ketchup, because I'm tired of the onion salad already.
Do you not eat no? We're not even care. It's not even eat.
12. It's like it's the aftertaste.
It's a feeling sick now.
These nuggets for me.
12. What did I say?
Just on 12.
Oh my god. Kaylee's catching up. $13.
I
feel the gag come on, honestly.
We've been a feel come on.
Things you do.
How much is 30 now?
You're trying to pay 13?
I want to big up my real supporters. This is not easy, and I'm here pushing.
Push what?
Because
How much that now?
don't even know.
It kind of for
No.
probably 12 or 13 then.
No, me there 13.
No.
I'm worried again for us at least there you where I have to come right.
Give it, Christina. No.
Slow and steady.
14.
Nothing no steady about this, huh? But I wish me did a bust a sweat.
Fine.
For me gonna know
So,
14. I couldn't just remember win. And brother, like, honestly, you just have to eat my next one. For some reason, I feel like we're tired. We're triple way tired. No, probably Christian at 13. It's the facial expressions for me.
You're gonna do it, Chrissy.
14? What the? Christina's like, I'm not giving up. These bitches ain't winning today.
Oh my god.
I'm actually proud of Christina. She's putting up her fight games. I didn't expect that.
now that no more challenges, we're going to mukbangs next time.
I don't even want no more food after this.
Bruh, 20 minutes. I we that in the kitchen and
I'm
eating
hungry. I'm gonna put in a toaster.
I hate it here.
No one here looks small. 15.
I'm sure with you 14 now.
I'm gonna call my mom right now. Put her on speaker.
It's just a taste for me.
Mommy, I need some motivation right now. We're doing a challenge and I can't finish. Are you on Team Chrissy or Team City or Team Kaylee? We're doing the whatchamacallit?
Who they eating most nuggets?
Oh, the Nuggets challenge. And oh my god, these girls are beating my ass and I don't know what to do.
Sydonnie, you got 15?
Well, you know you don't eat that much, Chrissy.
I know, but I can't let my supporters down.
Right? So you have to stop yourself. So that means so how much nugget you eat a bar?
14.
About 14.
Really?
Yes.
Some sister shock, everybody shock.
That's a lot. How much Chrissy, how much Sydonnie eat and Kaylee?
15 each.
15.
Oh, so you need to just to go to one more and take it off with them.
No, mommy, but you don't understand them I eat more.
Oh, wow.
Mommy's like, oh wow.
You see my dilemma.
Great.
Alright, take it easy.
I can't eat them here because they don't want to eat those crap.
Okay. Thanks for the inspirational words. How much is that?
60.
How much me there?
14. Christenna, bill no man, you can't make me look like a wimp. My face look like a, I used to be like, police and do a ball a while ago when my sister did that. I hate it here. She couldn't just have start up at 14. I hate when people look so competitive. Yeah, I think she never stop at 14.
Oh, so you come second?
I not come second, I come first. She's like, oh yeah, come second. Like, she thought. 16 up in this
17.
bitch.
Like, you need to stop.
Yeah, man.
You understand? Like, you understand what I'm saying?
But if we not come for me, then I have to eat.
Fred Christina, I never expect this from you.
It's those inspirational words.
Only can stop below me. Only can stop below me.
No, baby, I'm never a loser.
Exactly.
I'm gonna keep fighting.
We're never here. We're up here. Period. Nobody below your ass, girl. I might need today. Shit. This is too much.
It is too much. I had myself up way too much a while ago.
Yes, the black stars.
Black stars.
17.
Christ. No, man.
How much reach?
17.
I think we just eat 17? Just at 18?
Don't do it. Don't do it.
What
Stop.
time?
Remember the 17 now?
Stop, God, no, please.
Exactly. We should have me on time.
Why not?
How much for that?
15.
About 15. How much you know there?
No.
A 15 she did,
Yeah.
because she did that try to reach my 15.
How much you know there? That
17.
17. How the bum? 15, 16, 17. I know, honey, what is you doing? Like, we're not a small limit.
No, they shape like Texas.
I don't have good time for me now, but more than 17.
18.
18!
I'm an intern bad.
Bunky! Look for the smallest.
Bunky, no, man. I can't do this.
18. I got a tie. I'm gonna win. Hear me? Hear me?
You see your face when you sit on there right ago?
This one right here is for my supporters, guys. I'm sorry I didn't win today. I don't even know if I have supporters for this one, for this at least.
Belly full.
Yeah.
Kaylee, why Kaylee like a chipmunk?
We can do the
You know what?
chubby
Food?
bunny challenge.
Oh yeah.
Chubby bunny challenge for real. You know what that's it?
Sorry. Jesus.
Bro, you know, so she open up some space in her bed. Motherfucker, no! Maximum overdrive!
Yeah, man, 18 this year now.
I'm gonna give us first 18 to 1.
No, man, like, honestly, like, it's there. It's there. I can't eat no more. I'm sorry, guys.
Get it out!
Eat out.
Like, yeah, Odie, you know, like, why?
It don't make you sick.
It doesn't sound now though.
How much me then?
16?
Besides that, what we want to know. Because I cannot go more than the 19. Yeah.
That's a you problem.
I'm do that.
So I'm 18. It's still the 18, my love.
You don't worry about this. You don't worry about this. Got them on my shoulder right now.
But you know, I feel like this a 10 out of 10, right? I don't want to leave none of this. It's not add up.
Yeah, because some of them drop out.
No, but all the two there on the back there.
Them two then?
Mm-hmm. So guys, I'm 19. Yeah.
Because if 2 plus 2
2
is 4.
Then I'm at 19. So therefore, is this 20?
No, girl.
So is this 20? Dun 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 dun.
And if you think that the race was over.
Christina took up 3 nuggets a while ago. For just even it.
Listen, I can't need no more, yeah. But just put that one up on my tongue a while ago. I just say, you know what?
Yeah,
So you done? Okay.
I'm not 19 now.
So guys, I got 19.
Them got 19.
And Cole
How
said,
much am I?
I'm taking it at 16.
But just eat off one. So how much is that?
Probably 16.
The score ain't move. I said how much is that?
16.
Okay, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Christina can't do that.
The one of them beside me.
So I'm an independent supporter.
I love to see it.
Feel the burn, baby.
Did I 19 say?
So I got 19 one. I forgot tired 19 to ya.
I don't like ties. That's the thing, you know. I can't eat that one of them.
Sorry.
Y'all don't understand.
Man, I'm starting to get hot. But it cooler a while ago. Can't eat.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. 1990, all over the 19.
Let's see if Christina can really do it. Or share a pillow now. She eat like a sandwich.
Don't play with me.
1891 Sid? We count that as 8.
That's it.
We
That's
count that
it.
as 16, 17.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah, we'll pack up. I feel sick. Guys, so I was at 19, Sid 19, Christina 17. She kept up. Proud of her, big time. Christina eat. Proud of her. But that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys laughed. Comment below how much nuggets you guys can eat. And make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.
Remember, my supporters, I'm sorry I failed you today.
Sydonnie God. Bye guys.
Good coma.